Namaskar, myself Dr. Suresh Jagar, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. Today I will discuss about different species of honeybees. The honeybees genus in the Apis. The first is major species European bee, Apis mellifera. Second is rock bee, Apis dorsata. Third is Asian bee, Apis serena, and little bee, Apis florea. Then characteristics for four well-known species of honeybees. Then first is nesting. Nesting Apis dorsata, open nesting. Apis flora open nesting. Apis serena cavity nesting, and Apis mellifera is cavity nesting or similar habitat in Apis serena. Then distribution in India. Apis dorsata is found in plain as well as hill up 1600 meters above sea level, highly migratory, and Apis flora is found in plain up 300 meters above sea level, high migratory, and Apis serena is found throughout India, having three subspecies, and Apis mellifera exotic bee of India introduced successfully in 1962. It is a many subspecies, more than 23 throughout world. Then size. Apis dorsata biggest honeybee, 16 to 18 mm in long, and Apis flora. Apis flora is the smallest bee, 9 to 10 mm. Apis serena is medium size, 14 to 15 mm, and Apis mellifera is medium size, 14 to 16 mm. Then swarming absconding. Swarming Apis dorsata is strong, Apis flora is strong, Apis serena is strong, and Apis mellifera only in Africa. Then temperaments. Apis dorsata is furious, Apis flora is mild, Apis serena is furious, and Apis mellifera is gentle except African subspecies. Then average honey yield per colony per year. Then 40 kg honey produced by the Apis dorsata. 500 only 500 gram honey produced only Apis florea, 5 kg honey produced Apis serena, and Apis mellifera is 15 kg honey produced. Then method of honey extraction. Apis dorsata, Apis flora is by sequencing unhygienic, and Apis serena and Apis mellifera is by centrifugal honey extracted from the hived bee, hygienic. Then number of cells per centimeter, 10 centimeter comb worker cells. Then Apis dorsata is 18 to 19, Apis florea is 32 to 36, Apis serena is 21 to 25, and Apis mellifera is 17 to 19. The species and some subspecies of hive bees. Then it is important to know the difference between a species or subspecies are reproductively isolated from each other, and these cannot interbreed, whereas subspecies are geographically isolated and can interbreed. Then among the two domestic species, each has many species in different parts of the world. Apis serena has 3 subspecies in India. Apis serena in Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, northern India. Apis serena indica in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, South India. Apis serena Himalaya in Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Assam, and Meghalaya, eastern part of India. एपिस सेरेना होती है, उसकी 3 सब स्पीसीज़ है। एपिस सेरेना जो हिमाचल प्रदेश, जम्मू कश्मीर नॉर्थ इंडिया में मिलती है। एपिस सेरेना इंडिका जो साउथ इंडिया में मिलती है, केरला, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक। एपिस सेरेना हिमालय जो ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया में मिलती है, नागालैंड, मणिपुर, मिजोरम, आसाम एंड मेघालय। In addition to about 3 subspecies, Apis cerana japonica has been identified from Japan. Then second आती है इसमें Apis mellifera have many subspecies which can be placed under 3 groups. First is eastern subspecies. Apis mellifera has many subspecies which can be placed under 3 groups. First is eastern subspecies. First is eastern subspecies, second is European subspecies, third is African subspecies. Then first African eastern subspecies, Apis mellifera perennis in Iran, Apis mellifera syriaca in Syria, Israel and Lebanon. These subspecies are not suitable for modern beekeeping. European subspecies, Apis mellifera, dark Dutch and German bee. Apis mellifera seneca, Caneolog bee in southern Australia. Apis mellifera gustica, Italian bee, Italy. Apis mellifera casica is Casican bee. Then African subspecies. Some of the important subspecies are African mellifera intermezia, Italian bee, African Apis mellifera Lambracati, Egyptic bees, and Apis mellifera adansoli, African bee. In India, all the 4 bee species are the found. Apis mellifera is an exotic bee which are introduced in India for the first time successful in 1962 at Negrota, Bhagwan, Himachal Pradesh. Honey yield from this species from satisfactory beekeeping varies from 10 to 15 kg per colony, but through migratory yield increasing 45 to 60 kg per colony. One beekeeper in Himachal has extracted as much of 110 kg honey from a single colony of Apis mellifera, which is indicative of its potential. The other bee species found in different parts in the world. In addition, in the 4 Apis honeybee species, more species have been reported from some parts of the world. Then first is Apis laborica from Bhutan, Apis bingonmi, Sulawesi. Then stingless honeybees. Stingless, in addition to honeybees, genus Apis, stingless honeybee also provide honey which are Melipona species and Trigona species. Then pollen bees. All the honeybee species are good pollinators. Besides being honey produced, in addition to each, there are more than 20,000 species of the other bees which help in pollination. It should be clear that all bees are not honeybee. Batra in 1992 has even separate non-Apis bees in a separate group of pollen bees that include all bees except honeybee, which help in pollination. Then the general morphology of honeybees. General morphology in honeybees, body parts are modified as per their food habits and social life. Like any insect, body of honey bee can be distinguished in 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. Then first is head. Head be a pair of geniculate antennae, 2 compound eyes on lateral side of head. Bees can distinguish different colors but are red blind and can perceive ultraviolet rays. Head bears 3 ocelli, simple eyes on top portion which perceive degree of light. two mandibles are attached to ventrolateral part of the head capsule. Mandibles differ shape in the three caste. Worker are mandibles for gastric and scarping, pollen from author. Feeding of pollen and in manipulation of wax scale during comb building. Then inside the head are long coiled string of small lobes known as hypopharyngeal glands, which secrete glandular food known as royal jelly that is fed on to queen and young larvae. Then thorax. It consists of three segments: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Each bear a pair of legs, meso and metathorax. Each pair of wings. Legs and wings are locomotory organs. In addition to locomotion, legs in honeybees are also modified to perform following functions. Then prothoracic legs serve as antenna cleaner. Basal part of Basitarsus has a notch and a small lobe projects from distal end of tibia. It found in all the three castes. Then on mesothoracic leg, Brucetacea serve bruces for cleaning of thorax. Long spine at the end of middle tibia. It used for loosening pellets of pollen and pollen basket of hind legs. This is very important. Pollen basket of hind legs. Also for cleaner wings and spikes. Wax scales are also removed from wax pockets of abdomen by these legs. Then hind and metathoracic legs differ from other legs is being larger in size and with broad platenets from the tibia and basitarsus. In worker bees, smooth somewhat conveyor outer surface of hind tibia is frequently with long curved hair and forms pollen basket or corbicula. Then abdomen. First abdominal segment is united with the metathorax and forms anatomically a part of thorax known as propodium. Bee larva has 10 abdominal segments, but in adult workers, abdomen appear 6 segments. Segments add to 10 are reduced in size, and first segment propodium in transfer to thorax during pupal stage. Then abdomen bears sting wax glands and scant glands and genitalia in addition to other viscera. In worker eggs, laying apparatus ovipositor is modified into stings. Queen use ovipositor for egg laying and for stinging rival queens. Then important entomologic features. Digestive system is unique in is having oesophagus with expanded honey, stomach with stores and collected nectar. Then reproductive organs are fully developed in queen and drone, but greatly reduced in workers. The honey from honey stomach food goes ventriculus through X shape opening known as proventriculus, regulating phases of food and ventriculus. It removes pollen from nectar and nectar is retained in honey. Sac of pollen passes of ventriculus. Nectar is regulated in comb cells of conversion into honey. The sperm are stored in the queen in a sac-like structure known as spermatia, and storage sperm are utilized by the queen throughout her life time, as the does not go for mating once start egg laying. So this is introduction of honeybee species. Mostly 4 species: Apis Mellifera, Apis serena, Apis dorsata, and Apis flora. And then other morphology of bees: three parts of head, thorax, abdomen. Head is antenna, compound eye, thorax is legs, and abdomen is protected to system, etc. And this is honeybee species and morphology. Thank you.